did you like the movie? Just answer me like I will put it in three level, like good, bad, and average. So I will start with Suraj first.
Why me always?
You look the oldest in this, so that respect, it's a respect that we give.
Insult.
Whose performance was best in the movie?
Obviously, the obvious answer is Kirti Suresh because
See, I
as,
told you,
mentioned-
he will tell that only.
I-
This time also you did your research, Vishnu, in Wikipedia.
Wikipedia is a bad place for research, but
Can I tell just the first word?
Yeah.
See.
Most, sad or agonizing situations he's.
Vishnu, can you act and show, man? Suraj has acted and shown one of the performance. Can you act one of the performance and show? Yeah.
And I also want to tell about the editing because the guy who did editing happens to be a kind of friend of mine. So.
Oh, is it?
yeah, we were into the movie, man. View is very serious. We take it very seriously.
we take your channel more important than you.
Hello, friends. Welcome to the third episode of Straight from the Horse's Mouth. Let me introduce to you Nived. So we worked together in Cochin. So we both were in the marketing department. He was into the sales. I was in the digital part. And right now, Nived has successfully joined the IIT Delhi. And since after he joined, the corona broke out and he had to come back. So that's a good news for him. He's sitting at home. So apart from that, we have got Vishnu and Suraj. Suraj, Vishnu, and Nived, welcome back.
Thanks, Manu.
Thank you, Manu. Thank you.
Yeah. Did you like the movie? Just answer me like I will put it in three level, like good, bad, and average. So I will start with Suraj first.
Why me always?
You look the oldest in this, so that respect, it's a respect that we give.
Insult.
You look the most mature among the four.
Yeah, I think somewhere between good and bad.
That is the average.
Yeah.
Did the title of the movie Penguin reflect the story in any ways?
Yes, for me, Penguin mainly related to the villain character, which is the Charlie Chaplin character. Give the name of the title. I mean, the title of the movie just based on the color combination of what a person is wearing, the villain is wearing. So you can't say that the title the story justified the title, but yes, there were some connections here and there. That's it.
I mean, I felt the director struggled too much to connect with the title of the movie, telling that bedtime stories and.
While seeing the movie, it's about a pregnant woman who is on the search for her firstborn, right?
Yeah.
So it kind of brought me back to what, like Nived say, Kahani.
Kahani, yeah. This time also you did your research, Vishnu, in Wikipedia.
Wikipedia is a bad place for research, but
because when I went for it, I just can see only 2-3 actors has their own Wikipedia. The rest of them has no pages only.
Exactly.
Whose performance was best in the movie?
Obviously, the obvious answer is Kirti Suresh because
See, I told you, he will tell that only.
I've been telling this to you since the minute I started watching the movie. I had texted him saying that Kirti Suresh's performance is brilliant in this. But I think as all of them are newcomers, probably we can cut some slack for them. But they should have invested in better actors. That's what I felt.
You didn't ask me who is my favorite character.
I know your favorite character.
I know the answer what you're going to say. Can I tell just the first word?
Yeah.
See,
Yeah,
Of course, Cyrus.
dog.
best actor.
That,
But
that,
Some unintentional fun watching that husband of Kirti Suresh, the second husband of Kirti Suresh. Even in the most, sad or agonizing situations, he's. I don't know what prompted the director to choose him. I
but-
don't know.
Vishnu, can you act and show, man? Suraj has acted and shown one of the performance. Can you act one of the performance and show?
how about Cyrus? I love it.
Yeah, Cyrus reactions. Whenever Kirti Suresh's second husband comes and stands near him, the dog looks up and says, "Dude, act."
The dog will be like, act. Please do act. Exactly. Remember the scene where both the husbands are like walking
Yeah.
and both husbands are like,
I guess what they were trying to communicate is the second husband was telling to the first husband, "You might have as well have kept her, yeah. She's too much of a pain for me."
I will just,
Coming to the technical stuff. So technical stuff, basically the cinematography, editing. Go to the IIT guy first.
So I think they did a good job finding the location of this movie because first of all, the location gives that particular, thriller feel to it because you are in the middle of a jungle. The whole place is in the middle of a jungle, and
Correct.
it gives a lot of liberty for the cinematographer as well to give as many beautiful shots as possible. Even the main shot, which is in the lake, that particular lake shot is beautiful.
Yeah.
And I also want to tell about the editing because the guy who did editing happens to be a kind of friend of mine. So
Oh, is it?
yeah, his name is Anil Krish, and he's a friend of mine.
Okay, man.
Not very close, but just a friend.
Maybe he can edit our
so
short movie.
great work.
Maybe-
Probably he'll charge a bomb, but then
Manu will go bankrupt.
Coming to that part where I throw the random questions, you can answer. Okay, the first question. So in the movie there are two kidnappings that are shown. Okay, the first one is of Ajay. So there is a second girl who is getting kidnapped. Okay. Okay, fine.
The name?
The name of the girl.
Anjana.
Oh fuck, man. Hey, you both were aware of that name, Suraj and
Yeah.
Vishnu?
yeah, we were into the movie, man.
Yeah, we were thinking that they are
You should
going to show
invest your
us
time in this
something
movie.
really amazing, and the reveal is going to just blow us apart. But then,
Then it
what
went
happened was,
Farm View is very serious. We take it very seriously.
Okay. Now
We take a channel more important than you.
Yeah, IIT guy.
You should
There
do
in the
profit
preview.
sharing.
Yeah, this should be there in the preview.
This will be there. This will be there. Something on me should also be there. It's not about me only. Something on me also should be there. Okay. There was a carnival shown in the movie, right?
Yeah.
Part of an October fest.
yeah,
What was the name of the carnival? It's
Can I
shown
answer
in a
that?
billboard kind of a thing. The carnival name in the movie.
Can I answer that? I mean, if
You have the answer, Nived.
I have the answer. Yeah, Vishnu also has.
No. I want to
No,
show.
no, I don't have.
Suraj, do you have the
Yeah,
answer?
Go ahead,
no,
go ahead.
I don't know.
Okay. Nived, go ahead, man.
Mystic Carnival.
Whoa, this is
Wow.
detailing.
So let's rate the movies with our actions, maybe like thumbs up, thumbs down, or average.
Yep.
Okay, on the count of three. So 1, 2, 3.
For me, it's so yeah. So the conclusion is
Oh, all right.
what does that mean, Suraj? What does that mean?
It's a great average movie.
Oh, it's between average and great. Okay. So coming to the conclusion, so I would like to thank Nivet and and thank you Suraj, thank you
Thank
Vishnu,
Corona.
for joining this time also. Guys, if you have liked the video, if you have liked the content which we have made, just
Like,
Comment.
Subscribe.
and don't forget to press that bell icon. So that's it, guys. Take care. Bye.